Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to fix forgotten password, pin or pattern on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work for the Samsung Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus as well. Now keep in mind that doing this is going to wipe out all of the data and information stored on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and if you want to proceed, your first step should be to get a data cable like this one over here. This is actually a USB-C to a USB data cable. And then the next thing you want to get is your laptop or PC. Now over here is my laptop with a USB input. So you want to connect the USB part of your data cable to any of the USB ports on your laptop or PC. Make sure that your laptop or PC is actually turned on. Then proceed to connect the other end of your USB cable, that is the USB Type-C, to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now once you connect it, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra should automatically start charging. But what we want to do now is to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with some key combinations. So first, you want to long press on the power button and the volume down button until the device turns off. And once it turns off, you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button while still pressing on the power button. Continue to press until you see the Samsung logo, then you can release the power button while just pressing on the volume up button until you get to the hard reset menu. Now we are going to do that together. So basically you want to long press on the power button and the volume down button together. First of all, make sure that the screen is actually on. So long press on the power button and the volume down button until it goes off. Then you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button. So to the volume up button now. Continue to press until you see the Samsung logo. Then you can release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. Continue to press now the Samsung logo, so you can now release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. And now we are on the hard reset menu. At this point, you want to just use the volume down button to scroll until you get to the wipe data / factory reset option. Select that option with the power button, and then you want to select on the factory data reset by scrolling down with the volume down button and then select it with the power button, just like so. Now as soon as you see the data wipe complete at the bottom, you can now go ahead and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by selecting on the reboot system now option by just tapping on the power button, and your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra would now be hard reset and you will now be taken back to the initial setup page of the device. Now we are back to the initial setup page of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So go ahead and select your language, click on start, agree to all of the terms and conditions over here, and then just click on agree. Select on setup manually, proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi or another hotspot network. Select next. You can skip the mobile network page. Now give it a couple of seconds and you'll be required to enter your password, pin or pattern again. But instead of doing that, you want to select on the use my Google account option at the bottom. Proceed to enter your Google account that was previously signed into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Then enter the password as well. Click on next. Now I do have two-step verification, so I'm just going to confirm my Google account, and now you're good to go. You can now set up your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with a new Google account, or even choose not to enter a Google account at all. In my case, I'll just go ahead and enter my Google account, sign into it, click on next. Now you want to choose who is using this device, so I'm selecting this. Tap on next, agree to all of the terms and conditions. You can go ahead and skip this, click on next. If you want to set up a fingerprint lock or any security, you can go ahead and set up any of these, but for now just skip this. Click on skip anyways. Go ahead and click on accept. I don't want to turn on backup, and then just set up Gemini as well. I do not want to set up a Samsung account, so I'm just going to select this, then tap on the setup letter in settings, scroll down and then skip this as well. Tap on agree as well. Select your team, tap on next. And at this point, after setting up, just go ahead and tap on home and you're good to go. So now we've been able to fix the forgotten password, pin or pattern on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.